So everyone thinks of estrogen as the female hormone. And I wrote about this in my blog about misconception too, that there's only one type of estrogen called estrogen. And there's actually 3 types of estrogen in every female's body that your body produces. And it's estrone, which is basically it's one, if you can think of estrone, estradiol, 2 rings, and then estriol. And estrone is known to be the estrogen of menopause. So that is your fat can even act as an organ essentially and secrete estrone. And we all know as we age, we lose our lean muscle and gain fat, gain adipose tissue, and that tissue itself will secrete estrone. And that's actually Premarin that I discussed in my previous blog. It is most similar to estrone. So a menopausal female does not need more estrone. And estradiol, that's basically the business end of the deal. It's the estrogen that in our youth we have plenty of. It does all of the work. When we think about estrogen, we're really thinking about estradiol. It's the estrogen that helps with hot flashes, night sweats if you're menopausal. It helps with bone density and brain function, menopausal and not. And then we also have estriol, which is known to be the estrogen of pregnancy. But the beautiful thing about estriol, and this is what's so neat, you can't get this in any manufactured product, but it is protective to breast tissue from the effects of, like, you were to have some type of estrogen receptor positive type of hereditary gene that predisposes you to cancer, estriol will actually sit on top of those estrogen receptors and block the more potent and proliferative estrogens from binding. So it just has amazing effects for breast health in that way, but then also it's great for vaginal health as well, which is often not talked about. But right now we typically will use estradiol vaginally, but it's so potent and proliferative in the way that it works. Estriol is a much milder form of estrogen, but on that vaginal tissue can just do amazing things. But yes, so we actually have 3, and they don't include any of the horse estrogens.